Today I'll be cooking egusi soup and I'll be showing you how you can make your egusi lumpy. You know that lumpy style egusi soup. I'll be showing you how you can get it. Hi, my name is Jumi and I make food content on this channel. Do well by subscribing and giving this video a big fat thumbs up. So let's get cooking. Set the pot on fire and pour in some palm oil into the pot. I'm going to allow the oil get hot a bit. I'm not bleaching the oil. I'll let it get hot a bit. Then I'm going to pour in grated onions. I'm going to stir fry this for a bit. I'll stir fry it for like 1 minute. After stir frying the onions for like a minute, I'm going to transfer the locust beans into the onion and I'm going to stir fry this also with the onions. After I'm done with that, it's time to add in the pepper mix. For my pepper mix, I blended red bell pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper, that's tatache and rodo. I'm going to stir this and cover it up to cook for 3 minutes. After cooking for 3 minutes, I'm going to add in other ingredients so everything can cook together. I added in seasoning cube, I added in some crayfish powder, I added in stockfish, and I'm going to add in some pomo. I would stir it all together and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. While it's cooking, you can check it at intervals to stir so your stew doesn't get burnt. So at this point, the sauce is perfectly ready. This yummy stew is ready for the egusi. So now it's time to prepare the egusi so we can transfer it into this yummy sauce. So to prepare the egusi, I have some diced onions in a bowl. I'm going to transfer the egusi into the diced onions. Now I'm going to add in some water to mix this together. I'm going to use a spoon to mix this till the egusi color changes from cream to whitish in color. I'll mix it up till it looks fluffy. Mixing this up till it's fluffy and soft will help make it rise in the soup and also create that lumps that we want in the egusi soup. So now I'm done mixing and this is how it looks. So now it's time to transfer the egusi into the stew. I made sure my hand is washed because I'll be using my hand to scoop the egusi into the stew. So I'm going to be creating little lumps of egusi and dropping it into the stew. If you have any questions on how to make this or any questions at all, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do it to give you a fast response. After I'm done dropping the egusi into the stew, I'm going to pour in enough water to cook the egusi and I'll cover this up to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is after it has cooked for 3 minutes. It's still cooking, but I feel the lumps were too big. So I'm going to use my spoon to break the lumps into smaller bits to the size I want. If you want the lumps of your egusi to be as big as this, you can leave it. So I'm going to break it up a bit and still cover it up to cook. This egusi has been cooking for 5 minutes, so I'm going to stir it up. You need to be stirring your egusi, if not it's going to get burnt. As you can see, this is even about to start getting burnt, so we need to be stirring our egusi as frequent as possible. Can you see those lumps? Can you see it? So please don't dull on this recipe. This is how you can perfectly get a lumpy egusi. Now that I've gotten the desired lumps I want, I'm going to transfer in my ugu leaves. You can use as much vegetable leaves as you want, but for this recipe I'm using just ugu leaves. I cover this up to steam the vegetable leaves for a bit so it can be easy for me to stir together with the egusi. So now I'm going to stir all this together. Our egusi is about to be ready. but we still need some few minutes to get everything mesmerized together. So I'm going to stir this up well. Then I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is salt. I'm going to add salt, enough salt to taste. Then I go in with a little bit of water because I felt the egusi was a bit too dry. So I'm going to add water, stir it up a bit, then I cover it up to cook well. At this point, the egusi is well cooked, perfectly cooked and tasted yummy. So if you are looking to cook a lumpy egusi, try this recipe and let me know the end result in the comment section. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, drop a comment and please subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.